I miss Ballyhoo because I couldn't see my friends.
My name is Amy Hutchinson and I run Ballyhoo Stage Arts here in Newport and in Pontypool. We're a performing arts class and we do a mixture of singing, dancing and acting. It's been really hard to be away from class for such a long time, knowing how much the students get out of it. We were able to run a couple of classes on Zoom as we were getting through the week, so you could feel them starting to get really down. So to be back in person is brilliant.
I like singing and dancing with my friends. I really missed it when I couldn't come.
The main positives of being back in person are that children can socialise with other children, both their own age and sort of slightly different as well. They get a chance to really blow off steam and have a sense of normality that they haven't had. You know, we try and be really kind of fluid with the children and just let them have a good time without kind of putting loads of restrictions on them, so that they can just focus on being children and having fun with their friends, building up their skills, becoming more confident both with adults and other children, and also being away from their parents. They've spent a lot of time with their parents in the last few months, and so being able to break away and getting used to that is really important. I'm absolutely thrilled to be back from a personal point of view. Just being with the kids is brilliant, and being able to feed back off them brings me a lot of joy.
I like playing games. I like singing. My favourite thing at Ballyhoo is dancing.
We are very happy to be back here at Ballyhoo.